I found this cute stacking skull tree at the Dollar Tree. They're really cute. Look at this. Skulls everywhere. I like it. It comes in 3 pieces. So you have the bottom, the middle, and the top. And of course there's a bat at the top also. Isn't that neat? So this unscrews, in case you were wondering. So you can take that off and paint it separately. I want to use chalk paint on my trees, so I grabbed the black one. I grabbed a dark gray and some white in case I need to lighten up one of the colors. I like the skulls on here. They're really nice, but I want it a bit of a pronounced skull on here. I think it'll look better. It's nice to, everything's white, but it needs help. So that's where all the painting is going to help. I hope. I'm hoping that it will be spooky once I'm done. So let's give this tree an update. See, like this, just between each skull, kind of outline each one. are my finished pieces. I think it turned out pretty good. I mean, I can see the skulls now. And from afar, you'll be able to see all the skulls. It wouldn't be just one blob of white tree. And then here's my bats. Now, you really can't see his eyes. I think I want to maybe put a bling on his eyes. It's hard to tell, but the bat does have fangs. I didn't even notice that till now. When I tilt it like this, you can see the fangs. I will need to color those. And then here's the medium piece. You see that? Isn't that nice? I like it. And then the large piece. The large one, I made sure to paint all the way down to the bottom of the base. See there? It looks pretty good, right? I just need to finish my bat here. Let me find something to color in his eyes and the fangs on the bat. I'm going to attempt to whiten his fangs. And I was going to do Sharpie, but yeah, it didn't work out. So I'm going to just use a gel pen. And I have already messed up. Let's see. Maybe I can wipe some of this away. I made his fangs too long. Something like that. Maybe I can use silver to outline his mouth. Just so you have an idea where the mouth is. I don't know, but I don't think that turned out too well. You can't see the fangs anymore. Okay, so let's leave it at that. And then I grabbed some 3mm blings, and I'm gonna put blings on the eyes. So put a drop of glue there, and then let's see how this one looks. I may need to go a little larger, but we'll see. Drop that one there. And the other one. You see his eyes now? They flash now. Let me grab my paint here, and I can probably like do a dark gray on his mouth. I'm just gonna color that in. Just like that. It does have quite a large mouth. You see there? I want to make his fangs larger than it was meant to be. Can you see his fangs? Isn't that just awesome? Oh, we can see his mouth, and then look at his eyes. He's got flashing eyes. You know what I should have done? Let me see if I can remove the eyes. Oh, see, it's got the white background, right? I'm gonna, where his eye is, I'm gonna make it gray also. Just gives it that, you know, kind of like an idea of where his eye is, right? So, and then I just need to round that eye there that I messed up. Oh, there we go. Oh, that's better. Now, I'm gonna let that paint dry and then reattach the bling blings on his eye. Put the bling blings back on. Let's see. That one there, and another one on this side. Oh, come on. There we go. Look at that. You kind of have a better idea with the light background on the eyes. Well, I mean, right now there's glue, but still. I like the bat. He's so cute. I am ready to put my tree together, and let's go take a look at see what our new stacking skull tree looks like. Here is the stack skull tree. Isn't that awesome? It's going to look fantastic for Halloween, right? I like it. See how you can see all the skulls. Let me get closer. Look at that. Isn't that awesome? Look, it's nice. I put clear lights in there so it makes it even look better at nighttime. This is really good. Now, I wish I could get a light into the bat, but I can't. It's a solid bat, so yeah, it's going to appear dark, but that's okay. I have achieved what I wanted. It looks awesome. It is really good. So the tree itself is 23 inches high with the bat, of course, and then the base of the tree is about 9.5 inches. In case you're wondering how tall this tree is, I like it. I'm quite happy with it. I hope you like this Halloween DIY. Go to Dollar Tree and pick up one of these stacking skull trees and paint it in the color you like. Make it look awesome for Halloween. Thank you for stopping by. I will see you next time, and have a happy Halloween.